July 2024 was yet another crazy month for the history books that future people will study centuries from now. But the future won't care about the CrowdStrike disaster, bloody ears, or broken Intel chip when Mark Zuckerberg isn't wake surfing wearing a tuxedo and a puka shell necklace at his Lake Tahoe mansion, crushing Coors Yellow Bellies and waving the American flag. He clocks into work with a sunburn to battle Google and OpenAI for artificial intelligence supremacists to train on 16,000 NVIDIA H100 GPUs, which likely cost hundreds of millions of dollars and used enough electricity to power a small country. But the end result is a massive 405 billion parameter model with a 128,000 token context length, which according to benchmarks is mostly superior to OpenAI's GPT-4o and even beats Claude 3.5 Sonnet on some key benchmarks. What's not open source is the training data, which might include your blog, your GitHub repos, all your Facebook posts from 2006, and maybe even your WhatsApp messages. When talking about LLMs, artificial superintelligence is still nowhere in sight, except in the imagination of the Silicon Valley Mafia. The good news is that if you're a top 0.001% math prodigy, you still have an edge over AI, but the bad news is that the rest of us humans are totally cooked.